Okay, hello, my name is Mohammad Zarishan Imam Alias. I'll be talking about the experiment 3, investigation of KLA via Bioreactor Operation. There are three materials that we use, which is nutrient broth, nitrogen gas, and also air. And as for the methods, we first have to calibrate the PO2 probe, which is the dissolved oxygen electrodes. Then we can start the static gassing out method, which will be conducted at 1.0 liter per minute, 2.0 liter per minute, 3.0 liter per minute, and also finally 4.0 liter per minute. Now there are a few precautions that need to be taken during and after the presentation, which is one should be wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment such as lab coats and gloves if you are using the autoclave, and the minimum use of air pressure to supply enough or sufficient airflow for the application. We have to constantly check the power cords for any faulty, frying, or wear and tear due to the long usage of it. And also avoid vessel stress cracks during autoclave by not over tightening the vessel clamping screw. Now for the result, this is the graph of ln C negative CL against time at different airflow rates liter per minute. And for 1.0 liter per minute, the equation used was y equal to negative 0.0037 x plus 5.1565, and the r square is 0.8461. For 2.0 liter per minute, the equation used was y equal to negative 0.0081 x plus 5.214, and the r square is 0.7985. For 3.0 liter per minute, the equation was y equal to negative 0.03663x plus 3.9718, and the r square is 0.9045. For the 4.0 liter per minute, the equation used was y equal to negative 0.0101 x plus 4.2683, and the r square is 9.712. You can see that the airflow rate, the lowest is 1.0 at 1.0 liter per minute, which the KLA at second and also hour, 0.0037 and 13.32 respectively. But for the highest is 4.0 liter per minute, which is for the second and hour KLA 0.101 and 36.36 respectively. Now there are few factors affecting the KLA values: airflow rates, agitation speed, and also temperature. Now for the airflow rate, the flow rate of each step, as I mentioned before, starts from 1.0 up until 4.0 liter per minute. Now with each increase of that flow rate, it was determined that the dissolved oxygen also increase, and we can see the flow rate of 4.0 produce the highest KLA values, which is 36.36. And also for agitation speed, it can affect the KLA values, but for this experiment it was set at the same, which is 100 rpm, to make it as a constant variable. But in research, there is an optimum agitation speed that can help in the dissolved oxygen values, but too much speed or too vigorous speed can damage the media culture. And finally, as for the temperature, it can also affect the KLA values, as it was affected by the changes if it's too hot or it's too low, too cold. Now, the optimum values of KLA can be obtained given if it has the optimum temperature along with optimum agitation speed and also the optimum airflow rate. Now, that's all from me. Thank you.